guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tanay Tripathi from IIMT College of Engineering, Greater Noida. Today we are going to discuss about how to program your Arduino Uno board with the help of your smartphone. So there are 4 topics which we'll cover under this video. First is introduction, second is IDE program, physical outlook, how to program. So generally we use the laptop or your computer to program the Arduino Uno board, but here's a trick where you can simply program your Arduino Uno with the help of your smartphone. So what is Arduino Uno? Arduino is one of the most popular microcontroller among the electronic hobbies. It was introduced in 2005 in Italy. You can see there is a trademark made in Italy, quality tested. Arduino is an open source prototyping platform based on easy to use hardware and software. You can see open source electronics prototyping platform. Arduino boards are able to read input like on the sensor, on a finger, on a button or a Twitter message and turn into an output. In simple language we can say Arduino is a teeny computer which performs a particular application on the basis of set of instructions. That means your program. Second thing that we'll be going to talking about is IDE software. IDE means Arduino Integrated Development Environment. That means it is the software of Arduino contains a text editor for writing a code, a message area, text console, toolbar and many more, like a C compiler. Program written using Arduino software or called Sketch. That means what the program will you have written in the IDE software called sketches, like a fade sketch, that means LED fade program, blinking program you can call blink sketch. So these sketches are written in the text editor and saved with a file extension. Arduino sketch may be written in processing which also supports C and C++. Let's talk about their physical output. So you can see the physical output of Arduino Uno. You can see there is a trademark of Arduino Uno. It is the original Arduino Uno board. There are also clones of Arduino Uno available in the market because it is an open source platform based. You can see there are 6 A0, A1 to A5. There are 6 analog inputs and 13 output bracket. There is a 16 megahertz crystal, or you can call resonator, and there is a reset button, your USB jack, your power jack of 5-volt input. So there are 6 analog input and TX RX available. TX and RX means you can join a sensor like a Bluetooth module SC05, Wi-Fi module ESP8266, ultrasonic sensor SR04, etc. So let's program it with your smartphone. First you have to need OTG support mobile, OTG cable. You can see here what is OTG cable. Here is OTG cable. You can see the pin. Second thing is you need that Arduino data cable. This is Arduino data cable, and of course your Arduino Uno R3 board. So now we are going to download the application of IDE software to program Arduino Uno. So you have to go Play Store and search the Arduino Droid. Here's Arduino Droid IDE software. You can see I already installed the software, so I don't have to install it. So close all programs. Then you have to connect the OTG cable with your Arduino cable. So you can see I already connect this. Second thing, you have to connect this from your Arduino Uno board. So I will connect this from my Arduino Uno board. As you can see, I connect this from my Arduino Uno board, and this will be connect to my mobile. So let's open the Arduino Droid. You can see as Arduino Droid. Here is a editor where you can text by keyboard. So let's connect with my phone. As you can see, I connect this from my phone. You can see here is a on indication and the program is ready to go. So instead of writing the program, we will use the sketch which are already saved in. As example, like a basic example, the blink sketch. You can see here is the blink sketch for the LED software. So first you have to compile it from here. You can see the compilation goes on. As you can see, compilation is finished. So you have to put it in your board. So upload it. Yeah, allow to app Android to access the USB device. Yes, okay. So the program is successfully uploaded. Now to check the Arduino Uno, you have to connect a LED with it. So I already connect the LED to my breadboard, and there is a positive leg and there is a negative leg of the Arduino. So the program output is connected to come with a pin 13. So this wheel is connected to the pin 13. Here you can see pin 13, and this will goes to ground. So you can connect here or here. So I will connect this from here, ground. As you can see, I uploaded the blink sketch and LEDs will blink. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like my channel. This is Tanit Tripathi. Thank you very much.